Good morning, and good morning. Welcome back to another video with collecting from A to Z. Well, I sold a couple of items overnight. This was a really cool salt and pepper shaker. It's the Coventry style. I mean, Coventry is the manufacturer, and Castilian is the style. And these were pretty neat. They came in the original case, and you see on the bottom it has the Good Housekeeping seal of approval. And these were new old stock. Pretty neat. I can't remember what did I pay for those, $1.60 or something like that, and sold for $14 free shipping. Not too bad. Alright, the next item, this was pretty cool. I showed these on the last video of what's in the trunk, and these were this one has a USB inside with all these different stitching designs, books and thread, color matching, and all kinds of stuff like that in there. So that's pretty good. These were picked up as having 75% off. So here's kind of like the back of it. So I only paid $1.25 for each of these, and one of them, I mean, not the exact same model, but there's probably about 80 listings of these Bernia Studio and Debbie Munn out there, and the comps for the sold was about 20 of them sold for around $20 a piece with shipping. So I thought, well, I'll just lot them up together and offer them for $32.99. And that listing only stayed up for 1 hour before someone offered $30 on it, and I took it, free shipping. So that was a pretty good sale for overnight. So we'll get these boxed up. I've got a nice 6x6x6 box for that. That will protect that well. And these will fit into the eBay padded envelopes. I'll put one in each envelope and then tape the envelopes together. So let's get these packed up, and then I'll come back as soon as shipping is done. Okay, the salt and pepper shakers are boxed up in this little 6x6 box, and the total weight is 12.3 ounces, so 13 ounces after the label. So that'll go first class. All right, way to save money on that. Weighs 2 pounds on the dot, so that is not too heavy, and gonna ship these medium L, so everything should work out good. All right, I'll come back in just a second when the shipping is done with some final words. So there we have it. The 2 items are packed and shipped, ready to go. Not shipped, but packed and ready to ship. Interesting, these 2 here that sold for 30 bucks are going on the global shipping program, so that's pretty nice. Even though I packed it like this, I think that would be okay even for domestic shipping, but when it gets to the facility in Kentucky, eBay will repackage that for a box overseas. So thanks for watching. Remember, subscribe, like, leave comments. Stay tuned for the next video.